Welcome to the disassembly and cleaning instructions for gravity soft serve machines. This video will cover the following topics: emptying the machine, disassembly and cleaning, assembly and sanitizing, and machine startup. Emptying the machine. Remove the hopper cover and remove the mix inlet regulator from the hopper. On the Inteltech 2 control, press the off button and then the clean button. When the product in the barrel has melted, after about 5 minutes, open the spigot to drain. Once drained, press the clean button to stop the auger. Fill the hopper with 2 gallons of cool tap water and press the clean button. Let the machine run for at least 30 seconds and drain the machine. Then press the clean button to stop the auger. Prepare cleaning solution by mixing 2 ounces of Stoelting green label or equivalent in 2 gallons of 90 to 100 degree water. Fill the hopper with the cleaning solution and press the clean button. Let the machine run for 30 seconds, then press the clean button and drain the machine. Turn the machine off by pressing the main freezer power off-on button. Machine disassembly. Remove the knobs on the front door and remove the front door. Push the spigots through the bottom of the front door. Remove all O-rings from parts by first wiping off the lubrication using a clean towel. Then squeeze the O-ring upward to form a loop. Roll the O-ring out of the groove. Remove the front auger support and bushing. Pull the auger out slowly. As the auger is being pulled out, carefully remove each of the plastic flights. Keep the rear of the auger tipped up once it is clear of the freezing cylinder to prevent the rear seal from dropping. Wipe the spline lubricant off the hex end of the auger with a paper towel and remove the rear seal assembly. Unscrew the springs from the auger flights. Cleaning. Follow local and state regulations for cleaning and sanitizing. Use brushes, sponges, and washcloths to thoroughly clean all parts. Mix sanitizer according to manufacturer's instructions. After cleaning and sanitizing the parts, wash the freezing cylinder with a detergent solution using the brushes provided. Be sure to clean the rear seal surface with the detergent solution. In a clean bucket, prepare Stoelting sanitizer or equivalent according to the manufacturer's instructions to provide a 100 parts per million strength solution. Sanitize the freezing cylinder using a large barrel brush. Assembly. Screw the springs into the studs on the auger flights. Put the O-ring onto the rear of the auger and apply a thin coat of petrol gel onto the O-ring. Lubricate the inside metal surface of the rear seal with petrol gel and install it onto the auger. Put a thin coat of spline lubricant onto the hex end of the auger shaft. Place 2 flights onto the rear of the auger and insert the auger partway into the freezing cylinder. Install the remaining plastic flights while pushing the auger into the freezing cylinder. Rotate the auger to engage the drive shaft. Put a thin layer of petrol gel to the inside and outside of the auger support bushing. Place the bushing onto the auger support and install the support into the front of the auger. Rotate the auger support so that one leg of the support points straight up. Put the O-rings into the grooves on the spigot bodies and spread a thin layer of petrol gel onto the O-rings. Install the spigot bodies through the bottom of the front door. Install the large O-rings into the groove on the front door. Place the front door onto the mounting studs and screw the knobs onto the studs. Tighten the knobs in a crisscross pattern. Do not use any tools to tighten the knobs. Install the drip tray and drip tray grid. Sanitizing. Prepare Stoelting sanitizer or equivalent according to the manufacturer's instructions to provide a 100 parts per million strength solution. Install the mix inlet regulator into the hopper. Pour the sanitizing solution into the hopper. Make sure the display shows that the freezing cylinder is off. If it is not, press the on-off left or on-off right button to turn it off. Press the clean button. Check for leaks at the front door and rear seal. Using a sanitized soft bristle brush dipped in sanitizing solution, clean the hopper sides, mix inlet regulator, and underside of the hopper cover. After 5 minutes, open the spigot to completely drain the sanitizing solution. Press the clean button to stop the cleaning cycle. Machine startup. Make sure the display shows that the freezing cylinder is off. If it is not, Press the on-off left or on-off right button to turn it off. Fill the hopper with at least 2.5 gallons of mix. Open the spigot and drain a small amount of mix to remove any remaining sanitizer. Close the spigot. Press the on-off button for the cylinder to be run. Press the push to freeze button. When the display shows serve, product is ready to dispense.